An unfortunate female cheetah in heat found herself in the wrong place at the wrong time. Three male cheetahs following her were blinded by lust and an instinctive drive to mate. But in the battle to win the female's favor, one of them sustained a fateful injury. Having killed the female, the lions ruthlessly pursued any rival that might be a threat to their young. The second lion had already delivered a warning charge. The next would be fatal.
I didn't believe it when I saw it through the viewfinder. The two lions are tearing that poor fellow apart.
A game drive in Namibia. Spotting a pair of cheetahs was a great thrill. But George wasn't the only one watching. The cheetah and its brother were in the wrong place at the wrong time, with disastrous results for one sibling.
The cheetah should have been paying more attention. It's a slightly slender-built creature and really doesn't have the power to take on a lion. The lion sees that cheetah as competition for food. Lions interacting or killing other predators happens more often than we think. It's inevitable. Territories are getting smaller and smaller. Animals are crossing each other's paths more frequently. Any predator that comes into a lion's territory is deemed competition.